Welcome back to Knott's Fishing. This is our wrecked Kraft John boat. We're going to go ahead and start to get to work here, not wasting any time. We're cutting this panel out that's damaged, and we're going to weld in new aluminum. We're going to have my cousin, if you haven't had a chance, check out his channel. It's Knott's Quality Metalworks. I'm going to link him in the bottom of the description here. But he's got some cool stuff going on, brand new channel. Go ahead and jump over, give him a follow, and he's going to be the one welding in all this metal. I have no clue how to weld aluminum, so he's doing all that for me, and here we go. This is the repair. All right, we got the top panel cut out now. Now we're going to go down on the bottom panel here and cut it out, and then we'll get our metal ready to weld back in here. And this thing's getting closer and closer to being done. Thought it was going to be a little bigger project than what it looks like it's going to be. There's a weld line somewhere right in here, so it's trying to stay above that weld line, so we have to hammer out this little dent here, a couple little small spots there, but overall we're gonna be able to get this fixed no problem. Bringing in the aluminum sheet to fix this boat. Damn sure is. Draws it up, then we can mark our line, cut it to be perfect. And we're gonna do the same thing down here, and that'll look good. All right, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna come in with some seam sealer and we're gonna seam seal these gaps and we're done. I think it's gonna be a good repair. You're probably not gonna ever notice it. So we spooled that, tacked this up, dropped it down nice and neat. We got a little bigger gap than we was wanting, but no big deal. Now we're gonna come back with a cutoff wheel and cut this down trim and just start tacking our way up. It's actually gonna look really good, Bronson. All right, so we got a gap right here. What I'm doing, coming in here with the crowbar right here, and we're pushing down on that gap so we can fill it. Is that good? Did I get it? All right. So now we got this back side welded in. Got it all tacked. Then we just got to start trimming around the other edges. Screw gun. Yep.
Now you should be able to push down that corner.
Yep.
Get it.
All the tacks, bro.
Yep.
Well, son of a biscuit.
Back here anymore?
Yeah, I can cut that. Down there.
Come on out. Alright, right up.
We got the new panel in. And we got Bronson up here welding the panel in inside. Then I'm guessing we're going to weld on the outside as well for make sure we get plenty of strength. Alright, we got the new panel in. We are done. And if you haven't done so already, check out Knott's Quality Metalworks. Cool channel coming up. Hit him a like, hit him a subscribe. Knott's Fishing, we're out. And part 3 is coming out next.